You don't need any shipping company address again to be able to import from China and ship to Nigeria using 1688 app. If you didn't hear me, let me say it again. Currently, if you're shopping on the 1688 app, you don't need any shipping company warehouse address again, because currently you can buy directly on the app and it can be shipped to your location. If you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you can buy directly on the app and they will consolidate your different parcels for you and send it directly to your location in your home country. Yes guys, that is one of the newest updates on the 1688 app, and I've been getting questions around this. I am here to explain in detail and to show you practically how you can do that. Now, some people are even saying, oh, this shipping will be so expensive. No, it is not expensive. You're going to see it and you're going to see the duration. You can decide to use air cargo. You can equally decide to use sea shipping. For those of you that are wondering, oh, if I'm using this method, can I be able to consolidate my items? That is to say, you're buying from different suppliers and you want them to package everything together before shipping. Yes, you can consolidate your different parcels coming from different suppliers. You're going to see all of them practically. You know, I love doing practical, so I'm going to share my full screen with you all. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Onye Onwura, and here on this channel I create content around how to start and grow a sustainable business online. I go in depth to it, importation, affiliate marketing, and how to run highly converting sponsored ad that will help you sell more online. Okay, so now we're just gonna go into the practical section, and I would share my phone screen with you also, you can follow through. So I just picked this product. Let's say this is the product I want to buy. You can see the price. Before you buy any product, before you pick any product, please do your due diligence very well. Check reviews, check everything checkable. Okay, now you can see what this product looks like. That's not why we're here. If you're okay with the item you're buying, you click on order now. Right now, once you click on order now, this is the specification page where you need to pick your specification, like where do you want it to be delivered to. In fact, you can see from the top there that it can be delivered to Nigeria. Right now, let me pick the specification I want just randomly. So once I'm done, I'll click on buy now. Now this is the interface where you can add your address. Right, you can add your address, and please, I need you to pay attention here very well, because if you make any mistake here, your item will be shipped to another location. Please follow me closely. Now you can see they said the package can be delivered overseas. Right, then there is cross-border logistic method, there is transit consolidation. Now if you already have a shipping company you're using and all that, you will see their address at the top. So that address you're seeing at the top is the shipping company address I used last. In order to change it, I'm going to click on switch. Once you click on switch, you click on new receiving address. Are you following me? You click on new receiving address, so it will bring out this form for you to fill. The next thing you need to do is to click on where you see Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, and overseas region. Guys, can you see where it's written overseas region? Click on that box there, check it, and then beneath it, it says please select. Click on that arrow there, you select your. Currently you can ship directly to Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, Vietnam, Thailand, Korea, Japan, Christian, all this country, Cambodia, Nigeria, Brazil, Ghana, Philippines. You can see the country, right? Not all countries are included here, but for Africa we have Nigeria and Ghana. So I'm going to pick Nigeria. Once you pick Nigeria, you will go ahead and pick your state. All the 36 states are here, I think, right? So I'm just going to go with Lagos, because I am based in Lagos. Right now, once you pick Lagos, you can see all your key areas in Lagos. I'm gonna go with Lagos mainland because I am based on the mainland. Now once you click on that, you click on confirm. Please scroll through and make sure you're choosing exactly where you are located. Right, so I'm gonna click on confirm. Can you see it? Lagos mainland, Lagos State, Nigeria. Then you can fill in your address, say your home address or your office address, whichever one is convenient for you or whichever one you want to use. You go ahead and fill it. Say I want to use my address and just fill it up. That's my name. You fill in your phone number. Can you see it? Guys, watch this video to the very end. There's something I skipped. There is a page I want you to read very well so that you'll be able to understand this very easy. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. So when we finish filling this, I will show you guys that page. Now your zip code, you can get your zip code from Google, right? Just search what is the zip code of so area that you are based. So I'm just gonna put a random zip code. Random zip code. Now if you want to set as default, you toggle that on. I will just click on save and use. Can you see it? Save and use. Just give it some moment. Can you see, guys, it has changed to the current address, so this can be shipped to my address in Nigeria. After filling out your address, guys, you would see global shipping method. I want you to, pause here and understand this. You can see global shipping method. We can use sea shipping. We can equally use air. Now I have ticked C. If you want to use air, you go ahead and click air so that you understand how it works. I'm opening it up. So once you click here, you will see what their rate looks like. You can see the timeline and the cost. For consolidation, air freight, home delivery from 0 to 10 kg, it is 7.5 yuan per 0.1 kg. If you don't calm down, you will not understand this. So it is not per 1 kg, per 0.1 kg. Do you understand? Now for C, from 0 to 10 kg, it is 125 yuan per 10 kg. So if you're shipping through C, it is what? 125 yuan. So you'll be converting to yuan now. Do you understand? I don't know if I explained this very well. Guys, do you understand? So I need you to pause here, understand this calculation very well. If you want me to explain it, if I start explaining one, it will be too long. But if you understand how to convert to RMB or RMB to Nigerian currency, you should be able to do this. I just came here, so I will explain all of this. Now for air cargo and sea, you can see it there. What we need to do right now is to select if we want pickup. If we want to pick up from this shipping company, pickup addresses in Nigeria. This shipping company is Speedaf Express. Can you see their name there? Speedaf. Some of you know Speedaf. I use Speedaf within Nigeria. So they have, connected with 1688 to make buying and shipping to Nigeria easy for you. Now, if you want to select pickup, I have their pickup location in Alaba, which is very close to me. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one at Alaba, and then I'll click on confirm. You can scroll to see their pickup location in different locations in Nigeria. Now, what I need to do after selecting I want to use sea shipping and all that, I can just go ahead and click on submit. Another thing I forgot to explain to you all is that this Speedaf Express, they can help you send pictures of the items that your supplier has delivered to them. You can see where it's written logistics service plus unboxing photography free. They are not charging you extra for this. Let me show you details. Let me explain it. They said if you order from your supplier and then it gets to their warehouse, they can help you unbox the item, right? They can help you unbox the item. If you want them to take pictures, buyers check photo and pick up goods, pay shipping. If you want them to send you pictures, they can equally send you pictures, and they said this is free. You're not going to pay anything. So this is the process. This is free, right? So if you want that, the service is also available. Once you're done with all of this, that's it. You click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can then head over to payment. And remember that currently you can actually use your Naira card, not just Alipay. If you have Alipay, fine. If you don't have Alipay, you can use your Naira card. You can see at the top there, I have my card, which is a Visa card. So you can use either a Visa or a MasterCard to make your payments. If you want to use Alipay, you click on Alipay and make your payments. Buying on 1688 these days is so easy. In fact, if you are a newbie importing from China, no stress at all for you, no stress at all. Once you're done, you click on pay now and your money will be paid. You just await the update. Now the update, you can equally get it on 1688. It is not done blindly. Let's say I've paid for this and I want to see the if you want to see the update on your shipping, you need to click on your profile icon, which is the me icon there. Once you click on it, you come over to where you see overseas ship. Guys, you click on overseas ship like this, you will see the update. Now you can see over here they have awaiting consolidation, they have to paid, they have to ship, to receive, completed, and return package. Now if you're using this process, you can actually return your package. Say they sent you something that is not good, right? You can actually return it. You can ask the shipping company to return it back, of course additional cost, but these people offer that particular service. If you're using other shipping company, you know it's very difficult for you to return it, but these people, they can return for you. Now if you want to ask them more questions, they are actually on Instagram, Speed Up Express. You can ask them more questions. This is so easy. I don't know if you're happy about this. I am personally happy about this because for times where I want to send down things quickly, I can use these people, right? I don't want to use my normal shipping company that I've been working with for years. I can try to use them. You can equally see the duration. I think for their air cargo, it takes around 10 to 20 days, and then their sea shipping takes around 60 to 85 days, which is actually normal. That's like 2 to 3 months, which is actually normal for sea shipping. Guys, hope you found this helpful. If yes, don't forget to like. And guys, for those of you that have not bought my 1688 manufacturer's contact, trust me, you need to get this. It is currently selling for 25,000 naira. Say you want to import maybe clothes, bags, shoes, wares, whatever, kitchen items, electrical items, anything at all you want to import, and you want somebody that can give you a tested and trusted manufacturer, a supplier to buy from, I have that already made for you. I don't want you to go through that stress or even fall into the wrong hands when you're trying to, you know, buy from suppliers you don't know. So we have a list, over 70 manufacturers contact that we have combined together. I will just leave, you know, a bit for you on the screen so that you can just buy this whenever you want to place your order. You go ahead and use any of them, and in addition, you will also get how to pay with your bank card. Some of you are finding it difficult. I actually included this as a bonus for you guys, and also I included at least 2 shipping company that you can use if you don't want to use this particular one I just explained to you. Or all of them is what you're getting for 25,000 naira. If you want to get this, it is available right now. You can use the link you see down, the first link you will see down, and also in the comment, or you can send me a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number on the screen. Then we get this list across to you. Make your payment of 25k, and that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hope you found this helpful, because I know I have given a lot of information in this video. Go ahead and like this video for me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.